today our topic of discussion is what are dental implants. So dental implants are a titanium based metal screw that is fixed inside your bone. So what we do when there is no tooth, to replace that tooth, what we do is we surgically open the gum tissue and expose the bone, and that bone is drilled to certain dimensions according to the type of implant or the dimension of implant that we are going to place, and we place the implant very slowly under a certain amount of force, and we close that flap and we leave it for 2 months. And in during this 2 months of period, what happens is something called osseointegration. That means imagine that this is the implant and this is the surrounding bone. As you can see, has a screw type of pattern. So all the screw threads are inside the bone, but there is gap between the threads, and this gap between the threads and the bone is filled with bone. This is called osseointegration. Osseo means bone, integration means integrating. So the bone is integrated within these 2 months, and the implant is totally taken up by the body, so as it becomes a part of your body, kind of like a natural tooth, but an artificial one, on which we can provide a crown and make a tooth out of it and replace your missing tooth. So these are dental implants.